To schedule an Instagram Reel, start by opening a browser and navigating to the Meta Business Suite website. Log into your account, and once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see the option to create a reel. Click on this to access the reel editing section. By default, the reel will be set to post on both Facebook and Instagram. But you can deselect Facebook to share the reel only on Instagram. Next, add your video file by clicking on Add Video under the Media section. And upload your selected file. Enter a caption for your reel, and choose a thumbnail from the available images. After uploading your video, you can proceed to the editing section, where you can edit your reel and add music as desired. Once you've finished editing, click Next to move to the Share section. Here, you'll find the scheduling options. Click on Schedule, and choose your desired date and time. Confirm your scheduling choice by clicking Schedule again, and your reel will be set to post at the specified time. You can then view your scheduled reel in the Post and Reel section. This process allows you to prepare and schedule your Instagram Reels in advance, making it easier to manage your content.